Okay, third dialogue is 你会写汉字吗？你 you 会写 写 means writing, to write. So 会写 it means can you write? 会写 it means can write. 你会写汉字吗？你会写汉字吗？ Can you write Chinese characters? 汉字 is Chinese character. 我会写 I can write. 我会写会写 means can write. So whenever you are saying using verb with 会, it means you can do that. If it is 写 or 说 whatever it is, you are saying that I can do this verb, this action. 我会做 I can make it. I can do it. Next question is 这个字怎么写？这个字怎么写？好，这个字怎么写？这个 it means this 字 is used for characters. So this characters 怎么 how to 写 write. How to write this character? She asking about particular one character. So first question is can you write Chinese character? Yes, I can write. How to write this character? 对不起 I'm sorry. 这个字我会读，不会写。这个字 this character 我 I 会读 读 means to read. 读 is to read. So it means 会读 I can read. This word I can read 不会写 but can't write. So this is very funny, not funny condition. Actually, this is very real condition. His reply is, I'm sorry, I can read this character, but I can't write it. Yes, it happens. In China, it happens often because they are using pinyin for writing, and most of the time they are typing on mobile phones, on laptop. Very few people are writing all the time Chinese. Even Chinese people forget how to write. So it might happen with you as well in future that if you ask some Chinese friend how to write this character and then they have to open dictionary, they will see what is this character and they will write after looking at that particular character. That means they don't remember how to write it because they never wrote it. And if you will not keep practicing, you will of course forget. So this is very practical example here. Chinese characters are really a little bit tough, and not tough, actually they are very similar with each other. If you're not writing diary or if you are all the time typing, of course you will forget how to write. You will forget some strokes, not all the word, but you will definitely forget some strokes. That's why we are asking you to practice writing. And for you guys, we have here in these slides strokes, so you can easily learn how to write. So the first word which we have learned here is 写. 写 means to write. 汉字 is Chinese character. 字 means characters. 怎么 so 字 is characters. It can be of any language, but 汉字 is characters of Chinese language. So 字 is simply character. You can use your language name in Chinese and then 字, that means characters of your language. Next word, very important, it is 怎么 It is question like whenever you are asking how to do this, how to go there, how to write this, how to speak, you will always use this 怎么. So you should not forget this word. It will really help you out in many situations. So 怎么 is how to go there. 怎么去哪儿? 怎么去 how to go. 怎么读 how to read. 怎么写 how to write. 读 this word is 读. 读 means to read. 怎么读 how to read. Let's revise. A is asking 你会写汉字吗? Can you write Chinese characters? 我会写 I can write. 这个字怎么写 how to write this character. 这个 is this, so this is very important. 这个 it means this, and you can use it in multiple places. For example, if you are in market, you want to buy multiple things, you can say 我要这个 I want this. So you don't have to be master in Chinese language to buy things, you can only rely on this word 这个. So 这个是怎么写? 这个是怎么写? It means how to write this word. 对不起, I'm sorry. 这个字我会读. I can read this word. 不会写, but I can't write. This word I can read, but I can't write. Well, let's summarize all the words which we have covered in this lesson. The first one is 会. 会. It means can, to be able to. Next one is 说. 说. To speak, to say. 说. Mama. Mama. Mother. 菜. 菜. It is dish. 很. 很. Very, quite. 好吃. 好吃. Delicious. So you will see, if you have Chinese friends, most of the time they say 很好吃. It is very delicious. 很好吃. It is really delicious. If you will invite them for a dinner and you have cooked that dinner, I can bet they will use this word. 很好吃. It is really delicious. And you should also use this word quite often, 好吃. If it is really 好吃, then you can say it is really delicious. Next one is 做. 做. 做 means to make, to produce. 写. 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 It means to write. 汉字. 汉字. It's Chinese characters. 汉字. Z is characters. 怎么. 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 怎么 is how. 读. 读. To read. So in this lesson we have covered more 12 words. Here we have exercise for you guys. This is very helpful exercise and I suggest you to do it by yourself. If you have learned this lesson number 6, it will be very easy for you to complete this exercise. This is a simple fill in the blank. This is 我们都会. We all can. What? We all can. If it is about Chinese speaking, this lesson, so we can say we all can speak Chinese language. So they all can speak Chinese language. So you have to fill this blank with equivalent Chinese characters. What is the right Chinese character to be filled here? Similarly, they are eating Chinese food which is very delicious. So they are saying 中国菜很 delicious. You have to add words. 他会做. He is cooking Chinese food, so he can make Chinese food. So fill in the blank here. Similarly here, if we go, we have this character. He is asking, I can, hopefully this will be, I can read this character, but I can't write it. So, can you read it? First question is this. What is this word? If you can't read it, try to find out what is this word and what does it mean. And then also complete this. Even if you don't know how to read, but as we saw in dialogues, he told us that he can read but can't write. So we will follow that sentence. 的这个汉字我会什么什么不会什么 I can read but I can't write. Fill in these blanks and leave a comment below or leave a message on our WhatsApp. Follow our page Learn Chinese with Kamran on Facebook if you are interested in learning Chinese. There we have multiple wonderful posts for you guys to practice your daily Chinese. That was our today's class. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. We will see you next week.